Melissa for explaining alcohol abuse and the problems that it may cause. My name is Angela Curry, and I'm going to discuss with you how we can help individuals with alcohol abuse problems. Webster's Dictionary describes abuse as excessive or improper use or treatment. Alcohol abuse can affect an individual in many different ways. It can affect them mentally, physically, financially, and relationally. Mentally, it can cause a person to become dependent on the substance. It can cause them to become depressed due to the forming of an addiction. If used in excess, alcohol can have many negative health effects, as Melissa discussed earlier. It can also be financially straining as well. An individual that abuses alcohol can spend a significant amount of money on alcohol, and they may spend irresponsibly when they're under the influence. An individual that abuses alcohol may be unreliable and lose their source of income due to irresponsible behaviors. A person that abuses alcohol can also affect relationships that they have with others. I've had a first-hand experience seeing how the abuse of alcohol can tear a family apart. Growing up, my father abused alcohol, and it drove a wedge between relationships in my family. On that same note, I've also seen how the recovery from the abuse of alcohol can bring a family back together. My father no longer drinks, and he has reconciled relationships that were once damaged due to his alcohol abuse. It's great to know that we can help individuals that abuse alcohol to recover. First, it's important for the individual to recognize that the abuse is a problem. There are different questions one can ask themselves to identify if the abuse in their life if alcohol is in their life is a problem. They may ask themselves, do they feel guilty or ashamed about your drinking? Lie to others or hide your drinking habits? Have friends or family members who are concerned about your drinking? Need to drink in order to feel relaxed or calm? Black out or forget what you did while you were drinking? Regularly drink more than you intended to? If a person recognizes that the abuse is a problem, they have to be the one that wants to change. Once a person recognizes that their abuse is a problem and they want to change it, they can be referred to recovery programs. If society is more aware of the problem of alcohol abuse, and more people would be referred to recovery programs. There are a variety of different types of programs available to those that abuse alcohol. Which type an individual is referred to depends on the severity of their alcohol abuse. One may be referred to a community support group. An example of this is Alcoholics Anonymous, or as you see here, AA. It's an example of a popular support group that can assist an individual in recovery. Individuals in this program share support and hope with each other. The goal and the purpose of AA is to stay sober and assist others in attaining sobriety. There are no fees for one to be a member of AA either. An individual that abuses alcohol may also admit themselves to a rehabilitation center. This type of program is often for someone that has severely abused alcohol. One that abuses alcohol and is seeking help can also attend counseling sessions. There's a little example of a counseling session here. There are a variety of different programs that are available to individuals as they are on their road to recovery. It's important to remember that recovery is an ongoing process. As an individual recovers, they need immense support from those that are close to them. It's helpful to point out to the individual the positive outcomes they have made from their change. For example, they may not be saving money since they aren't spending it on alcohol. They may start to repair relationships that were once damaged due to their alcohol abuse. They can be proud of themselves for making a positive change in their life. A person recovering needs immense support and affirmation. Now that I have discussed with you the importance of referring those that struggle with alcohol abuse to recovery programs, I would like to introduce to you Michelle Eschenbrenner. She will be discussing how the world would be a safer, healthier place if people drank in moderation and took advantage of alcohol recovery classes. Thank you.